Hi, what's up, guys? My name is Komisa. So la ku react ka nominations tam MLFM Stonga Music Awards 16. First of all, I would just to say ntsakela ku swivula naswona xilungu se xan mita xan xindla swilo tsakela ku swivula na ku sungula ku the awards ta ka Munghana Lonene ti illegitimate njhani na the audience na those who are giving us the awards aina pfumelelana and legitimacy. I pfumelelana naswona we've been fighting against this award from back in the days. Ila setting as a toluza na relevance kona ku fika la tinga ko swona ama vulavula tona ma ku 311 no vulavula tona because ntwa ngari ku bixana swo boha se na mina ni vula matitwe ma mina towards the awards letwa. First of all the awards letwa nang song of the year, most popular song, best male, best female. If sen langutisa that's such names so fana wo shonge rangani kuma wetla mama lava nga the best female I used to malava yini kuna xin'wana lexi xa raxa nami hambe swatwa ka miri a xibangi xingiselini mara a xibangi. Leswi vulaka ku song of the year letiya, the most popular song of the year letiya, the most popular within Munghana Lonene, not within the whole game of Stonga Music. The best male thing I like, the best male within selection ya Munghana Lonene, the best females within selection ya Munghana Lonene. Swilo kula abanyuka ku music va selecta ka Munghana Lonene hi vona va determinela ku Vatsonga hinkwenu hi rhandza yini hi swilo swi nga bakula swilo hinkwaswo. And anilava complain ntsena as a solution mina ni tatwa nga swi better ku MLFM yi kuma ti vanhu lava va nga na researchers va famba va twa ku buy anla ku vula maviti matsima anla ku vula maviti ma album anla ku vula maviti ma artist, but then n'wina mi nga vona swilo leswi ma swi vona ka this is nonsense. Because I even took my time that's why it take so long to react. I even took my time nya ka ti accounts not the pages that some of the artists who I think their managers have a relationship with MLFM na one within that radio station. If can check out about campaigning kumbenjani. I only find out ku some of them they campaign 2 days before the closing date. Before we extendiwa abanga campaigning. Nisloga wata bangeni ka awards. Banga campaign not even a single day, but then kuna la banga campaigner. But votela one must do. Some local labanga to vote like Sungu Baba Lavanga campaigner 2 days, last 2 days. Because they never I even watched the videos that the performances that one, they never mentioned anything with regards to the awards. But then I respect them. I want because of the video that I YouTube. But then take your time, check some of the nominees, letting I so the award for me is trash. That's why I just share posts of artists who want to be voted by hoping on social platforms but as for me I won't get involved in anyhow promoting, pushing the awards until the awards divana legitimacy, until this one the awards letwani akuhleketiwe iphuyerela akuhleketiwe ku prime ta nshavela yini lawa because leswan must just say the award is a very important part of career artist and a very important part of history a certain tribe. Yabona ma swi imagine se va ku song of the year ku xin'wana xa Russian army xo ve kwa kamera and we never had it. It's their best meal or whatsoever. So the best male name I follow straight ku Munghana Lonene best male FM best male meshana ku Munghana Lonene internal awards baba so sa Stonga Music Awards man. Stonga Music it's a big industry. I zingazi hembeliwa hina I buy so the award ta n'wina it's a flop, the award ta n'wina ithaka and sweswo hi nge phuki swi pfalini hambi swi endlisa ku yini the nominations Tangwina Itaka. I don't want to mention names of artists and English on the in a professional level, but then Labangana Ngondo Okota Kusbo. Congratulations, Kachuani. Ekaleka Irela go nominate MLFM. I subscribe.